Ian, thank you for joining us at the One-to-One Oil and Gas in London today.
Thank you very much. Enjoying myself here so far.
Ian, tell us a little bit of background to the company itself.
So Australis has been in existence now for 3 years. We were formed by the original executives and the original management out of a previous company, Aurora Oil and Gas. That company was involved in the unconventional activities in the Eagle Ford Shale in the US. That company was formed in 2005. It had an enterprise value at the time of about $30 million. And we sold in 2014, we got that up to $2.6 billion. So we felt that was a skill set that was worth retaining, and we kept the team together to put the track record back to work.
So tell us a little bit about the assets you're looking at, where you're looking at these elements, and you're also in production as well, so cash flow positive.
Yeah, we are cash flow positive through the acquisitions that we've done, which have been done at very accretive prices. The company's strategy, though, has been one of trying to accumulate oil in the ground, which we felt we could do at a much more advantageous price basis in this low oil price environment. So we've been accumulating a big position in a play called the Tuscaloosa Marine Shale. We have existing production. We run about 1,600 barrels of oil a day. We have 290 net future locations. At today's oil price, we're actually able to attribute a value of around about $5 million NPV per well and an IRR of 30% already. But our intention at the moment is to continue to accumulate. We're adding to the position, we're consolidating through land work, and our plan going forward is that once the oil price gets to a trigger point and we've got as much of it as we feel we can comfortably secure, then we'll look to source funding. That funding will be from an industry partner or a financial partner, and we'll look to use the land as currency when we do that transaction, having built up a large position as we hold at present.
So with regards to sort of investors, shareholders, what's the message to them at the moment?
So the strategy has been laid out from the beginning of the company. So we set this out back in 2014 when we started. It's one of patience. Our intention at the moment is very much to be an asset accumulation. We'll transform into an oil and gas company as and when it's appropriate to do so. But our focus at the moment remains on securing additional opportunities and oil in the ground. We're staying very focused. We're looking to leverage on all the work that's been done in the past. This particular play has had over $1 billion spent on it. We're not trying to necessarily be clever, but we're certainly trying to be smart and take advantage of the lessons learned. Most of those companies that did that heavy lifting have actually gone bankrupt in the intervening period, and that's really been our opportunity.
So the reason for being at One-to-One today?
We're very well supported institutionally out of Australia, predominantly because of the success that we've enjoyed in the past. Around 2/3 of our register is actually institutional, but at the moment it's very focused in Australia. We actually only have one major shareholder outside of Australia. So what we're trying to do today is to get the message out, explain what our strategy is, the success that we've had already in terms of what we're doing, and the opportunities that we provide to shareholders going forward.
Well, Ian, thanks for your time today.
Thank you very much.